Hello everyone. After learning the classification of number system in my previous video, today I'll be teaching you all how to calculate prime factors of a given number. As the word suggests prime factors, I'll be calculating factors which are prime. Now what exactly are prime numbers? So prime numbers are those positive numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. are all prime numbers. Out of these prime numbers, 2 is the smallest prime number and 2 is also the smallest prime factor possible. Now what exactly is a factor? A factor is a number by which a given number is divisible by. Example, factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself. As a part of a small activity, I would want you all to pause this video and write down all the prime numbers that you all can think of from 1 to 100. Let us try and solve the question given alongside, which requires me to find the prime factors of 120. Now in order to calculate this, I'll use a simple method called as tree method. In tree method, I'll split 120 as product of two given numbers. The first thing that comes to my mind if I were to split 120 is it can be written as 12 into 10. 12 and 10 both are not prime numbers and can be further split. 12 can be split as 2 into 6 and 10 can be split as 2 into 5. Now 2 and 5 both are prime numbers which cannot be further split. 6 however can be further split into 2 into 3. Now I have reached the end of my tree as I have reached prime numbers everywhere. So 120 can simply be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5 in its prime factors form. Or if I were to rearrange the terms, they can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Let us try and solve another question related to prime factors. Find the values of p, q, r and s such that 2520 is equal to 2 raised to p into 3 raised to q into 5 raised to r into 7 raised to s. Now this is called as the power form of the prime factors, where the number is written in terms of powers of prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. Now 2520, if I were to write it in terms of 2 raised to p, 3 raised to q, 5 raised to r and 7 raised to s, I first need to find its prime factors. In order to find its prime factor, I start dividing 2520 by the smallest number or the smallest prime number, which is 2, which gives me an answer which is 1260. 1260 can further be divided by 2 to give me an answer 630, and 630 can further be divided by 2 to give me an answer 315. Now 315 cannot be divided by 2, so I take the next greatest prime number, which is 3. 315 when divided by 3 gives me answer 105, and 105 can further again be divided by 3 to give me an answer 35. Here a prior knowledge of divisibility rule will help you calculate faster. You can further be divided by 5 to give me an answer 7, and 7 can further be divided by 7 to give me an answer 1. This simply can be written as 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 1 into 7 raised to 1. Now if I were to compare the given answer with the given question, I can simply write the values of P as 3, Q as 2, R as 1 and S as also 1. If you take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen, you would find all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. And if you count them carefully, there are exactly 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100.
I hope you all enjoyed this lecture and your concepts are clear. For any doubts, you can send it to me on my email ID doubts@thenowledgecurve.com, which is also mentioned in the description link. Thank you for joining us.